We are in the Concourse Expansion. Today began our first of 2 weeks of mock service for our 7 new food and beverage concepts here within the concourse. This is the first time we are going to be opening simultaneously 10 airport dining and retail locations, 7 of which are food and beverage, and the 3 which are retail operations. We've got great national brands in terms of our food, but we've got some great local operators here too. Mock service gives the food and beverage operators an opportunity to welcome guests into the space, test their systems, test their recipes. Just gives staff the opportunity to provide service to a controlled group and let them see how things pan out. Given the amount of traffic that we have in an airport, it's really important that these operators, even if they're operating on the street, understand what kind of traffic they can see come through their space at one given time. It can be an overwhelming environment in the airport, and so it really gives them the chance to see how their teams function and operate and how quickly they can get their food service out to those customers. We're really excited about this, and to see all these spaces come together, which in itself, to have all of that happen so that we can open this as one big concourse simultaneously is a huge accomplishment.